Compressor module. A compressor allows you to lower the dynamic range of a signal. In other words, it raises the lower level signals and brings down the higher level signals. Compression works on a much quicker timeline than automatic gain control does. Therefore, when you need quick gain changes, a compressor is a better option than an automatic gain control. A compressor can be assigned as an input DSP insert or an output insert. To open up a compressor processing module, simply double left-click on the compressor module from the program screen. Click the on-off button to turn the compressor module on. The over easy parameter allows you to set the compressor as a hard knee compressor or a variable soft knee compressor. Any settings between 1 and 10 will be a soft knee compressor, with 10 being the softest knee available. The softer the knee, the more gradual the compression, meaning it can sound more musical, but may have the side effect of lowering the perceived level. Setting this parameter to the off position creates a hard knee style compressor. This means that the maximum perceived level will be maintained and that no compression will occur until the threshold has been exceeded. Experimentation with this parameter may be necessary to find the setting which best suits the application. The threshold parameter sets the level at which compression will begin to occur. Think of this parameter as your fulcrum point. It should be set above the weaker level signals, which you don't want to compress, and below the stronger level signals, which you do want to compress. Your ratio control sets how much compression will occur once the threshold has been exceeded. Basically, to the left means less compression, to the right means more compression. The gain parameter is your makeup gain. This is typically used to make up for the gain which you've lost in compression. In other words, if your compressor was set for a maximum of 6 dB of compression, then you might set your makeup gain to 6 dB. Your gain reduction meter is used to see how much compression or gain reduction is occurring at any given time. The attack parameter sets how quickly or slowly the compressor will kick in. The farther this parameter is to the right, the slower the compressor will react. In other words, it will let more of the attack of the signal through. Setting this parameter to the left will enable the compressor to kick in more quickly. The hold parameter allows you to dictate how long the compressor will keep the signal attenuated once the source signal level has fallen below the set threshold. In other words, the farther this parameter is set to the right, the longer the compressor will hold down the signal level. After the source signal has fallen below the set threshold and the hold time is expired, the compressor will then begin to release the signal at a rate determined by the release parameter. Setting this release control to the left means that the source signal will come out of compression more quickly. Bringing this control farther to the right means that the compression will be released more slowly. Engaging the auto button will override these manual attack, hold, and release parameters. When auto is engaged, your attack and release parameters will be automatically set based on the level of the source signal and how much compression is occurring. Auto mode works well for most applications, but whenever you do want manual attack, hold, and release parameters, make sure to turn auto off. The threshold indicator provides a visual indication when you're below threshold, above threshold, or in the over easy region. As previously mentioned, the gain reduction meter shows you how much gain reduction is occurring at any given time. Some parameters can also be adjusted by simply clicking and dragging the nodes within the graphical display.